How to see who shared your post on Facebook. This method works to track who shared your content. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, navigate to the post you want to check by scrolling through your timeline or going to your profile. Following that, look at the bottom of your post where you'll see likes, comments, and shares count. Now, tap on the number next to the share icon to view sharing activity. Moving forward, you'll see a breakdown showing how many times your post was shared publicly. Afterwards, if someone shared your post publicly, you can tap on Shares to see a list of people who shared it. In addition to that, Facebook will display names and profile pictures of users who shared your post publicly. Once there, you can scroll through the list to see exactly who shared your post to their timeline. Subsequently, keep in mind that if someone shared your post privately to a friend or group, you won't be able to see those shares. Moreover, only public shares are visible to the original poster for privacy reasons. Afterwards, you can also check who reacted to your post by tapping on the reactions count at the top. Then, if you want notifications when someone shares your post, go to Settings and Enable Post-Sharing Notifications. Within this feature, you'll stay updated whenever your content gets shared publicly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you track your Facebook shares, drop a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.